grading with KineMaster is very simple and easy. You can go from this to something like this. In reality, there is more to it than just flickering a switch. But then again, it's so simple that anyone can do it. The following principles are applicable to any editing software. Without any further ado, let's go under.
Perfect.
There are several factors that need to be taken into consideration before color grading your footage. The two most important are color balance and dynamic range. Color balance is the art of balancing the amount of red, green, and blue recorded onto your footage. And dynamic range refers to the number of levels of black to white. For example, I am recording this video on a Sony a6400. So depending on what picture profile I use, I am going to have very different dynamic ranges to work with each and every time. But the same applies to mobile video shooting. You will have very different results depending on if you use auto mode versus manual mode. When you use your cell phone camera to record your videos, you have almost no control over the colors of your footage. Although cell phone cameras can produce better footage than some DSLR in some cases, utilizing the manual feature of your device allows you to have more control over your dynamic range, which in return can give you more room to color grade your footage later on. Also, and this is the best thing that you can do as a mobile creator, get yourself a camera app. There are some above average and very professional apps in the market. I highly recommend Manual Camera app and Filmic Pro. The environment in which you record your videos can improve or decrease your dynamic range dramatically. Recording videos indoor won't give you the same contrast that you could have if you record your videos outdoor or vice versa. Alright, so let's color grade a piece of this video to show you how you can color grade utilizing KineMaster. If you like this look, the adjustment settings are listed in the description box below, as well as the picture profile setting for the Sony a6400. So let's get to it. Okay, open KineMaster and tap on the plus button and select your aspect ratio. If this video is for YouTube, you want to select 16:9, and you're gonna select from your library the video that you wish to color grade. There are basically two ways to color grade with KineMaster. One of them is color filter and the other one is adjustment. With the color filter, you can only apply it to the presets that they already have, and you can only increase or decrease the intensity. That's why I recommend not to combine the two together because the final look is not that pleasant to the eye. And then you have adjustment. With adjustment, they are very specific to your dynamic range, while the filters are applied evenly over the entire clip. With adjustment, you have more room to play with, and that is why I recommend to use a camera app or use the manual settings of your camera on your cell phone. As you can see, all I'm looking for here is a way to maintain a color consistency throughout my talking head shots, and I am being very careful not to blow out my exposure or make it too dark. And as always, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like this video and activate the notification bell. If you don't have KineMaster, I'll put the links on the description box below so you can get it for free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time underwater.